Hey, Dan here. Yeah, welcome to my blog. And I can say that I had success with getting my federal tax turned in, but came back with a state tax was not accepted. And it has to do with the spouse's identification information. So I've been doing the same thing for years. I believe last year was the year they started to use the driver's license and then the alphanumeric verification on the driver's license. Well, that appears to be the situation. So I've got to go back in and do that, and down in the lower right hand corner of the driver's license is alphanumeric letters and numbers, and according to this one it wanted the first three letters. Well, that's what I put in there. That's what I put in there last year. So I'm not sure exactly what happened. I'm gonna find out here. Fix my return. 2017 taxes need attention. Walk you through and fix it. So let's see what happens. It's good that the federal went through, but the state didn't want. The state wanted something different for some reason. Can you back to refile? Terminate the best. Okay, just one more step will file your return. Children deduct. Okay. File info. Right, and okay, save. And see what happens. First time I've been held up twice. You know. Tricious again. Okay. That's weird. Because mine had a document number that doesn't ask for a document number here. Huh, okay. Well, I guess we're just going to go through it. Okay, send my email. And boom. Transmit my returns. Let's see what happens. That's weird. This time, when I went through, could you file your return for the following reasons? Cannot process. Transmission could not go through. We could not e-file your return for the following reasons. Access your tax data for electronic filing. You will have to print your return and send it by mail. Why? never had to do this before. Why is that? Alright, well, I've been dealing with this for about an hour now, and I'm back around again. It's coming, asking me everything again. Maybe it went back down through it and went try and resend it in and said that it had been rejected again because it seemed like I was sending filing again with the same social security number, so I'm still not sure what all that's about. And then I went back in again, and now it's bringing me back around again as if I was doing it for the first time, requesting payment and all that stuff again. But I did check to make sure it's not charging me more than originally, and it's not. So MB2, where's it? But that's mine, it's hers. Yeah, MB2. Okay, now next one's gonna be, now I'm not sure because her driver's license has Crosby on it, but yet the taxes are being filed under her maiden name. So I don't know if that's kicking it or not. The federal went, but I don't understand what the deal is with the stay. Oh, it's not asking for, I'm back in there again. All it's got is driver's license, her expiration, expiration, and that's it. Where mine's asking for that extra verification code. Maybe it just needs one. Okay, we'll go back all through that again. I did. Yes, we are. Yes, we are. Okay. Oh. Not. Oh, wait a minute. Yeah. Dates are different again. Oh, jeez. Well, I hope it's catching me on all this, so I hope it's going to go. Oh, my word. 1-0. Jesus. Oh, God. It is the 10th, 2018. We there? Thank you. Alright, now I'm in the third hour of dealing with my state tax not being accepted. The turbo system's not telling me why it was rejected other than the fact that it had to do, my email said that missing spouse's New York State document number. Well, now there's no place to, it's not telling me where to go to fix it because I've gone back through and it's not showing me where the problem is. And then I go back through it, and it's taking me through the scenario, and it's deducting again the same fees as it did to begin with. And then when I go ahead and click it, it's telling me that it can't file it because it's saying that I've already sent it in. Well, of course I've already sent it in, and it was rejected. But it's not giving me a chance to refile on it, refile again, and the fact that when it does, it appears like it's charging me again, and it's telling me that I need to send the paper into the state. Well, if I haven't corrected it, how am I going to send it in by paper if I haven't corrected it yet? If the state won't accept it e-file wise, how is it going to accept it paper wise? So I've never had this problem. I don't get it. Everything as far as documentation, everything's been the same. And now all of a sudden, this changes things. Federal went in fine. I don't know whether it's a snag in Turbo's system or it's something that the state is doing to delay the process here. So, I don't know. We'll find out. I came back in again, and it says, fix my return. Your 2017 taxes need attention. We'll walk you through how to fix your return and file again. So, let's try it again. Fix my return. Which is what I did the first time, so I don't... Didn't show anything. Everything there is the same. Continue to refile. Okay, we'll go back to refile. Best options for filing. Okay, well, it hasn't had me correct anything yet. Step 1. You've chosen to deduct. Yeah. Yeah. Get ready to save. Okay. I want to e-file. We'll check the RSC. Basic compound your identity. State issue ID has one more. Okay, my driver's license. Continue. Now I know everything. That's correct. Document number. Yeah, I've already done that. Problem is, it doesn't do the same for my wife when it shows hers. I don't know what's going on there. That's correct. So I don't know. This has kind of got me baffled. Yep. 8. Okay, now we're doing signing the documents again. It used to be higher than that, which means it's trying to deduct it again. Okay. Try it again. We go with finalizing return. I need to talk to somebody, I'm afraid. What the heck is going on here? And it says again, your transmission didn't go through. We could not e-file your return for the following reasons. Duplicate social security number. A tax return of the same social number has already been submitted. Appears you're trying to e-file the same return twice. Change this return. You'll need to file an amended return on paper by mail. You've done it again, and it's not gonna. Alright, so we're gonna go find. I need to talk to somebody now. I'm done. Okay. Here's my point now is I'm getting in contact with a specialist. Give me a call back and see if they can figure this thing out. I paid the $59 for Max, and that includes being able to talk to a specialist. So, I don't know. This is the first time it's ever happened to me, and I don't understand why I can't get it to go in. All it is asking for 3 letters of verification on your driver's license. Well, I got mine in there, but when I go to hers to come back through, it's not there. It's not. It doesn't have a location to put hers there, because when I originally put it there, it was the same 3 that I used last year, and those are the 3 that everybody else is using. So I don't understand what happened. So we'll find out. Okay. The answer is, if you've had a rejected e-file, you should be able to go right back into TurboTax, and it should take you right to that problem, and then be able to fix it, and then resubmit it. Well, it's not letting me do that now. So, under their contacts, you're supposed to be able to, I just clicked it, and it says callback. So I'm waiting a callback. I don't know how long it takes, because I've already been waiting 10 minutes. And you should be able to get a call back in 5 minutes. But of course it's tax time, so I'm sure it's going to be longer than that, if I even get a call back at all. So I have to wait another day on the state filing.